So today we have a reading, okay, about the volcano. So let's start with this page. This is the page number 52. Okay, before have the reading, okay, go to the page number 52, and this is a reading too. Okay, this is an activity. In this activity you have to read, okay, this story about vacation. Okay, there are two stories. The story in the picture letter A about Amazon River Jungle Trip by Amy, and the story of this vacation in the picture letter B, the Grand Canyon Horse Ride by him. Okay, I think it's okay. The number one is the picture letter B, and the number two is the picture letter A, right? Okay, so here in this story, there are many mistakes, okay? Hay muchos errores. There are many mistakes. And these mistakes are underlined, okay? Están subrayados. So you have to correct, okay? Correct and change the word. Here says, change the underlined words to say what happened. Then you have to match with a correct picture, okay? For example, in the number one, the title is Amazon River Jungle Trip by Amy. What is the correct picture for this story? The Amazon River, the letter A or the letter B? Amazon River Jungle Trip.
B.
Is the letter A or letter B, students?
B. B.
B, yes, is the letter B. Okay, so let's match with the correct one. Is the letter B. This is the story number one. And here, the Grand Canyon Horse Ride is the picture letter A. This is the number two, I'm sorry. This is the number two, okay? So let's start with the story. Let's start with the story in number one, okay? The Amazon, okay? First, this story is in the past, okay? It's not in the present, it's in the past. So let's start. I go on the Amazon River Jungle Trip in July. Is correct to say I go?
No.
No, it's incorrect to say I go. What is the correct one?
Went. Want.
Okay, then the correct word is
Went.
I went the Amazon River, right? Yo fui al río Amazonas. I went Amazon River trip in July. Continue. Now, please, volunteers, okay? Volunteers for points. Okay, continue. That was a good time to go because it wasn't rainy, okay? Continue. I go on a boat trip down. Okay, for participants, Anardo?
Finish.
Okay, yes, the number two, what is the correct word? I go?
I went, teacher.
Yes, the correct in the number two is I went. I went on a boat trip down the long river. Continue. I didn't swim in the river because I see a big snake. Is that correct? I see a big snake? No. Herrera, what is the correct word?
Teacher,
In the number 3.
the correct word is I saw. I saw.
I saw, very good, because the sentences, the story is in the past. The correct word is I saw. Very good, Herrera. I saw a big snake in the water. Continue. We eat lots of delicious bananas. Okay, we eat. Eat is in the present. What is the correct word? Okay, volunteer. González.
The correct word is ate.
Excellent. The correct word is ate. We ate, because the sentence is in the past. We ate lots of delicious banana on this trip. Continue. My favorite part of the trip, or it's a question. My favorite part of the trip? I see a monkey and a jaguar. Okay, I see, this is present. It's incorrect. What is the past? Okay, the number 5, volunteer. Okay, Jara.
Saw.
Very good, Jara. I saw a monkey and a jaguar. Okay, continue you with the story in the number 2, the Grand Canyon, okay? Please, 1 minute to correct the words. Correct the words in the number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? 2 minutes to correct the words. Okay, at night it was very dark. What is the correct in number 10? Cari Palomino? The number 10, Harry. Harry, 1. Harry, 2. Harry, 3. No answer, Harry. What happened? Okay, Gabriel. What is the correct word in number 10?
Saw.
Excellent. We saw in past. We saw many stars, so many stars. It was beautiful. Excellent, very good. So remember, the picture letter A is the story number 2, okay? This is the story number 2, and the picture letter B is the story number 1. Okay. Okay, students, did you finish this page? Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so let's continue, okay? Let's continue to the next page. And let's start with a reading in this case. Let's start with a reading about what happens when a volcano erupts, okay? So let's pay attention to this video about the volcanoes. Yes. Can you see the screen? Yes. Can you see correctly this video?
Yes.
And now, can you hear the sound of the video? Yes. Okay, so let's continue with this video. One moment. Recording. Okay. It was a story about what happened when a volcano erupts. And let's continue with the workbook in page number 54, okay? Let's continue with the activity in page number 54. And this page, okay, we have some information about the volcano. For example, the activity that you have to do is look and complete the picture with the words in the box, okay? For example, the letter A, this part of the volcano, is bent. This part of the volcano is bent, okay? Continue with the letter B. Okay, students, you can turn on your microphone. Okay, you have permission. Turn on your microphone. The letter B. Letter B. What is this part of the volcano? Is color red or sometime orange. What is
Lava.
name this? What?
Lava.
Lava,
Lava.
yes, lava, okay? This part of the, this material that is color red, between red or orange, is lava. And it's very dangerous, okay? It's very dangerous. You can't touch the lava. Okay, continue with the letter C. Okay, this part of the volcano, this when a volcano erupts, we can see this part. What is this in the letter C?
Rock.
It's color gray. Ash, very good, ash. Okay. Do you know what is ash in Spanish? Did you know?
Cenizas. Cenizas.
Ah, yeah, okay, right. In English, ash, okay? Excellent, very good. And now let's continue with the letter D. The letter D is pointing to this this little or big material.
Rock.
Yes, very good. Is a rock or rocks
The letter
in plural.
is crater.
Yeah, okay. And continue with the letter E. The letter E is pointing to this part of a volcano. Excellent, the crater. Okay, excellent, the crater. Okay, so complete the parts of the volcano when it erupts, okay? This is a vent, this is lava, ash, rock, and crater, okay? And tell me if you finish, please. Miss Elaya, I finish this part of the activity. Tell me when you finish. Very good, Inga. Excellent, Piero Giraldo.
Teacher, I finished.
Very good. Excellent.
Teacher, I finished.
Okay, very good. Okay, so let's continue. Let's continue with the other activity. In the activity number 2, the instruction is, what is the instructions? Volunteer to read. Okay, who wants to be a volunteer to read? Cha-cha-cha-cha. Vivianita? Yes, volunteer to read the instruction. Read. Read and match.
Read and match the words to their meanings.
Yes, read and match the words to their meanings. Meanings. ¿Qué significa meanings, students?
Significado.
Excellent, very good, Yadira. Meaning, por si acaso, chicos, significa significado. Here says, read and match the words. Lee y relaciona las palabras to their meaning, con su significado. Okay, read and match the words to their meaning. So, I'm gonna give you 5 minutes to match, okay, read, for example, bend. What is the meaning of bend? ¿Cuál es el significado de bend? Bend, remember, you can see the last activity here. The letter A is bend. This is bend. Okay, so the meaning is the letter C. Repeat, the meaning is the letter C. What is? This is inside a volcano. Very hot material comes up means, significa que sale, ¿no? Sale. Very hot material se refiere a la lava. Very hot material comes up it. Okay. Please investigate, okay, the correct meaning. You can use your dictionary, okay? You can use your dictionary. Yes? Let's continue. Continue. Thank you so much, Jeremy, for your participation. Continue with the number 3, Harry Palomino. Lava.
Number B.
The letter B. Can you read, please, Harry? Hot lava. Harry, read, please. Hot lava.
Letter B.
Okay, read hot lava.
Can stop this
Okay, Harry. Hot lava can stop this from growing. Okay. Hot lava can stop from growing. Okay, let's see. The lava is the letter, no, is the letter D. Okay, the lava is the letter D. Okay, this very hot material comes from inside a volcano. Proviene de adentro del volcán. Okay, is the letter D. Okay. Students, voy a hacer captura los mensajes que me han enviado. Un ratito, por favor. Joao, Sofía, Samantha, Kelsey, ya. Chicos, un favor. Todos los que han enviado en el chat, vuélvanlo a hacerlo, por favorcito, en la segunda parte del Zoom, ¿ya? Por favorcito. Porque este se va a acabar, ¿ya? Este se va a acabar, así que salimos de Zoom, porque ya se va a acabar, y volvemos a ingresar en 5 minutos, que sería como las 8:53, ¿ya? Por favor, y vuelven a escribir en el chat sus respuestas. ¿Ya, chicos?